I'm Chad Huddleston. I'm with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. Before the cold weather arrives, pick a date to test your furnace. When a heating system hasn't been turned on for months, it can release an odor. To minimize these effects, open doors and windows and allow the furnace to run for at least 10 minutes. Check your thermostat to be sure it's in good working order. If you've pre-programmed your thermostat, this is a good time to check your settings. Keep extra filters on hand for those long, cold months. Always remember to switch off the power before removing the filter. Before the filter is removed, wear gloves and eye protection. And do a quick cleanup of any dirt or chipped paint. When replacing air filters, you want to be sure there's nothing that will impede access to the air handler. And as soon as you remove the old filter, place it immediately in the garbage. Only a trained technician should fix any loose wires, motor bearings, or mold. If you see any of these items, call your local 1 Hour. If your furnace comes with a 10-year warranty, it's important for you to know that proof of maintenance is required. Your local 1 Hour technician can perform a full service check and maintenance of your system. Winter weather can be brutal, but the best way to ensure your home is ready is to prepare your home in advance.